Often people ask me, is it possible to transfer the case to me and what will it cost? Ultimately, if you entered into a retainer, a no-win, no-fee agreement with a previous solicitor and you decide to switch firms, which you're entitled to at any stage of your claim, your solicitor can, as a general rule, ask to be paid for the work they've done and pay for the expenses they've incurred. If the case is 6, 12, 18 months, 2 years down the line, that bill is going to be substantial. You're not going to be able to pay it and therefore you're going to have to stay with your existing solicitor. However, if there are good grounds for you looking to transfer your case and you can show that the level of service you've received from your solicitor hasn't been adequate, then you may have a chance of that file being transferred. And it's happened on a number of occasions where clients have come to us and they've said they've suffered serious injuries. They haven't been advised about an interim payment. No solicitor's been to see them. They've got a junior lawyer. The lawyers have switched multiple times. They haven't been advised in relation to entitlement to benefits. They haven't had any immediate needs assessment, any private rehab and help in terms of recovery. Then that firm is unlikely to be a specialist in serious injury. And once the client presents them with the service that they've received as to what they could get from MR8 solicitors, the solicitors will not want a complaint and ultimately they agree to release their file to MR8 solicitors on the basis that we provide what's called a lien in relation to their costs. So at the end of the case, their costs are preserved and will be included in the final bill that's submitted to the insurers in the end to negotiate costs. So they get paid their reasonable costs as we do. So if you've had a serious injury, you're not happy with your solicitor and you think they haven't been to see you, you haven't got a senior lawyer, you've not had any interim payments, you've not been advised about immediate needs assessment and rehab on a private basis, they've not advised you about benefits, they've not advised you in relation to setting up a personal injury trust because you're on benefits, and even if an interim payment comes, your benefits could be affected, then you may not be with a serious injury specialist, in which case you can contact MR8 solicitors, you can contact me, the bearded lawyer, at MR8 solicitors, specialist serious injury solicitors.